Welcome to the Fluid Power Forum, a podcast of the National Fluid Power Association. I'm your guest host on the CONEXPO floor, Ben Brown, and I'm here to interview interesting people who are moving fluid power technology forward at the 2026 CONEXPO-CON trade show. Here with me now is Brandon Tower from Nott Company to talk about his CONEXPO-CON experience, as well as what his company is exhibiting and the value that it brings to you, the listener. Thanks for joining me today, Brandon. How's your CONEXPO been?
It's been great, and thanks for having me. Excited to be here and excited to be at the CONEXPO again. I think this is my sixth time at CONEXPO in Vegas, and it just seems to keep getting better every year. So the products are just amazing, impressive technology advancements, and it's always impressive just the sheer scale of what is put on here throughout the week. So been really enjoying the conversations with our customers, meeting new people, learning about our suppliers, the innovation, and then of course, building the relationships with everyone that we got out here today. And also spending some time with the team and meeting new people.
Yeah, and that's what it's all about. And seasoned veteran, so I'm sure you have some stories about CONEXPO over the years. All right, but to kind of focus on the CONEXPO for this year, what are some of the things that you've seen, some new products, some innovations? What are some things that are worth talking about?
Yeah, no, it's there's always new advancements, and I think every year there's always something that kind of pops out that you realize you didn't know it was out there, which is cool, and that's part of the learning. You don't know what you don't know, and this is a great opportunity and forum to learn some of that stuff. I've seen a lot of advancement in the controls and efficiency that lead into a lot of productivity for manufacturing in the fluid power space. That's great because that's going to help everybody make more money, sell more product, and continue to drive value for our customers. And that's definitely a highlight. Hydraulics have been around for a really long time, and they're going to continue to be here for a long time. But the innovation and some of the hybrid technology and controls really stands out to me as a lot of companies are going into more electrification or hybrid hydraulics, and Nott Company does a lot of that, so it's neat to see what is happening in the industry.
Yeah, and the advancement kind of in these areas really has been staggering these last few years, so it's been very, very exciting for all of us to see. And again, at the NFPA, we always love hearing hydraulics is going to be here forever, because hydraulics will be here forever.
Of course.
Yeah. All right. So now let's zoom in a little bit more on Nott Company. So can you talk about your exhibit a bit? Some of the products you brought to show off.
Yeah, absolutely. It's exciting. Nott Company has been around since 1879, so we're coming up on our 150-year anniversary here, probably right around the time of the next CONEXPO. So we took the opportunity this year to really showcase our mission. And I say that by taking our equipment, our booth, our team to showcase our being a premier provider of engineering and integrated solutions and supply chain for both the mobile and industrial markets. So we took 3 different pieces of equipment, a mini excavator, a mini skid steer, and an entire conveyor system this year at the show. Each of these systems is leveraging the power of Nott to advance customer product. They include our manufactured fuel systems, which include a rotational molded tank, which we produce ourselves, our complete electric and electro-hydraulic systems that really highlight our expertise in controls, hydraulics, sealing technology, belting capabilities, and also our engineering power. And we really focus on our customer engagement to solve problems, and this is, to me, what winning together is: creating value and capturing that value for both Nott and our customers. We don't just supply components, we deliver complete integrated solutions to our customers, and I think these machines really highlight that for our customers to see at the show.
Yeah, it sounds like you guys do a little bit of everything for people, and it's a great thing. It's a great set of services and products that you guys have, and a great exhibit that
absolutely.
you have here. So, last question here. Where can our listeners go to learn a little bit more about you?
Yeah, we're at the show this week. If you don't catch us at the show, we have a website, which is www.nottco.com. You can get us on LinkedIn and see us on some of the other social media or websites.
Perfect. Thank you very much again, Brandon, for taking the time.
Appreciate it. It's good to be here. Thank you.
That's going to wrap things up for this mini episode of the Fluid Power Forum podcast. Make sure you subscribe to our show on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or any of the other podcasting services. And leave a review. It makes a huge difference for us and it helps us continue growing the show. Also, remember to follow us on LinkedIn at the National Fluid Power Association. I'm your guest host, Ben Brown, reminding you to join us next time in the forum.